welcome back to my channel today. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now. So today we'll be talking about CRO. So what is a CRO? Conversion rate optimization, and how can it be beneficial to your marketing plan? So we'll learn all about it today in this video. So let's get started. So what is a CRO? I'm gonna go ahead and use my iPad and teach you all this right here. So follow along. So CRO. So what is a CRO? So CRO stands for conversion rate optimization. So a lot of people will refer to it as CRO. It's hard to say conversion rate optimization over and over, right? So CRO. So CRO stands for conversion rate optimization. Okay, so that's what it means. Now, what does it actually mean, and how can it be beneficial to your business and to your marketing plan? Now, who can use CRO? So CRO can be used by anyone, even if you have a simple blog, or if you have a multi-billion-dollar business. If you're trying to convert people, the word conversion, you can use CRO. The really cool thing about CRO is that you can keep your ad spend same, your traffic can be same, but your output is going to be higher than it was earlier. So let me go ahead and explain that on here. So let's go ahead and write it up. So let's pretend that you're incoming. Let's pretend this is your website, right? And you have your incoming people, okay? Incoming people right here. So they're coming to your website. Now, what we're trying to do is convert them, meaning, and the conversion could be a sign up, the simple newsletter sign up, or it could be an actual purchase, okay? So what we're trying to do is, instead of, so let's say 3 people came in, right? And only 1 buys, okay? Now, keep in mind your ad spend, like Facebook, IG, your Google ads, all of that is constant. So your ad spend is constant, your traffic is constant, but your conversion, right, on the output is going to be higher by making changes on your website. So right here. So if you make certain changes to this website, your conversion rate is going to be higher. So that's the whole point. People try to complicate it, but it's really not. So the changes that you can make on your website is the conversion rate optimization. So what are these changes, right? So changes could be a headline, it could be an image, it could be a color, it could be your call to action, okay? It could be where the image is, right? So it could be it's pretty much a change on your site. So that's what a CRO pretty much is, right? So let me give you an example. So let's say your headline, okay? So one of the biggest thing that impacts your CRO is your copywriting. So is copywriting part of CRO? Yes, it is. So you have to make sure that the words flow. You have to make sure that the headline is in the right place, right? So you can't be putting up a big logo on the top and wasting that precious space. So instead, you put a big claim, big headline, and your job as a CRO expert is to make sure that people actually move through it smoothly. Now you're thinking, hey, isn't that copywriting? It is. So copywriting and CRO blend in, but CRO has many other factors, including copywriting. So yeah, copywriting is a big factor when it comes to making sure that your website converts, but there are other factors as well. For example, right, should I add an image on the left or should I add an image on the right? That's not copywriting, that's CRO. So you have to look at it this way. Let me give you an example. So let's say you have a website, right? Now, where do you put an image, okay? Do you put it on the left or do you put it on the right, okay? Study shows that you put it on the left, and actually the eyes of those people on the image should be looking at me directly on my face while I'm browsing the computer or my tablet or my phone. This is an example right there. So we'll go ahead and investigate and learn more about CRO in the CRO series. So make sure to subscribe to this channel right now. You can learn about sales, marketing, webinars, and I've been doing it for like 10-15 years, and I would love to teach you more about it. So let's go ahead and get on. So thank you so much. Get started today. Subscribe right now. Okay, thank you so much.